A 35-year-old female present to you with a history of palpitation, insomnia, irritability, and also sweating. And this female also have the complaint of weight loss despite eating well. What will be the diagnosis, Mafia?
Hyperthyroidism.
Hyperthyroidism. Which will be the main investigation in the patient of hyperthyroidism?
TFT.
TFT. What will be the scene in a patient of hyperthyroidism in TFT?
TFT, we see elevated decreased TSH and elevated T3 and T4.
T3 and T4 will be the elevated. And what is the main mechanism about the exophthalmos and the peripteral maxillema?
Due to fibroblast activity, exophthalmos occur in Graves' disease.
In Graves' disease, and also even to the hypothyroidism. And which drug we will prescribe in a patient of exophthalmos? Prednisolone. What is the most common cause of hyperthyroidism?
Hyperthyroidism, Graves' disease.
Graves' disease. And what is the main treatment of the Graves' disease patient?
Thyroidectomy and iodine ablation if there will be no exophthalmos.
But first we will go for the medical treatment. Which medicine will you prescribe?
We give methimazole and propylthiouracil.
Methimazole and propylthiouracil. From methimazole and propylthiouracil, which is indicated in the first trimester?
Propylthiouracil.
Propylthiouracil. And what about the methimazole?
After trimester. Second and third.
In second and third trimester. And if a patient present to you with a history of tremors, and also the patient have the low blood pressure, mean the hypovolemia, and this patient is also in the delusion and the coma state, what will be your diagnosis? Thyroid storm. Which medicine you will prescribe in the thyroid storm?
So in which we use propranolol and prednisolone and potassium iodide and iodide load also we can use.
Potassium iodide, propylthiouracil, prednisolone, and also potassium iodide. These medicine we will prescribe in this patient. And what is the mechanism of propranolol despite lower the heart rate, mean working on the beta receptors? What are the role in the thyroid conversion?
Actually, they convert the peripheral conversion of the T4 into the T3.
Which enzyme basically play role into the conversion of the T4 to T3? 5-deiodinase. And what is the main mechanism of the thyroid peroxidase enzyme?
Oxidation, organification, and coupling.
Any medication which will work to decrease the activity of the thyroid peroxidase enzyme? Propylthiouracil. What is the main cause of the hyperthyroidism? Other than Graves' disease?
Hyperthyroidism?
Yes, hyperthyroidism. Goiter also you can say, also the Graves' disease, but not always goiter can lead to the hyperthyroidism. Even to the thyroiditis, postpartum thyroiditis, other thyroiditis. And if a patient present to you with a history of transitory hyperthyroidism, then this patient go into the hypothyroidism, and this patient also have the history of upper respiratory tract infection, mostly the viral infection. Upon examination, the thyroid was tender in nature. What will be your diagnosis? Dequirine thyroiditis. And if a 40-year-old female present to you with a history of dysphagia, dyspnea, and this patient have the TFT level, T3 and T4 is a low and TSH level is a high, what will be your diagnosis?
Renal thyroiditis.
Renal thyroiditis.